I was hitting my Claude Code limit every session. Turns out I was wasting 90% of my tokens without knowing it. Here are 20 things that fix that. Number 1. Type status line. Now you can see your model, how full your context is, and what you've spent so far. You can't really fix what you can't see. Another tip. After every task, type clear. Context drops from 45% back to 5%, but your CLAUDE.md stays loaded. Everything else is gone. Think of it like closing a browser tab when you are done with it. Number 3. Type cost at any time. It shows what you've spent this session and this week. Check it before you go deep on building something even bigger. This one nobody talks about. By the way, you are in the middle of a task and you want to ask a quick question. If you type it normally, like a regular messages, it stays in the history forever. Type by the way instead. Claude answers and it's gone. It doesn't pollute your conversation at all. Number 5. Changing your effort level to low for simple tasks, like renaming a file, fixing a variable name. Claude skips the thinking and just does it. Remember, the thinking is 5 times more expensive. 6. Your CLAUDE.md loads to every single message, all the lines, so you must keep it under 200 lines. Use it like a table of contents. Point from your CLAUDE.md to other files, so Claude only loads them when it actually needs them. Another one is using rules. Put rules with paths. For example, Claude will only load into the context the Python rules only when it needs to. Rules that never match are never loaded. Another one is the MCP servers. Even the ones that you are not using today, you are still paying for them, so you must disconnect anything that you don't need right now and then turn it back on when you actually need it. 9. Same test, same result. Playwright as an MCP server, a lot of tokens. Playwright as a CLI, it's 4 times cheaper. So use CLI version when you can. Number 10. Before you build anything, you should press Shift and Tab. That's the plan mode. Claude writes a plan but doesn't touch any code. You approve it and then it does the work. Reads the right files once, not 15 files 3 times. Bonus, when you accept the plan, the conversation auto-clears. Another one is, don't wait until you hit 95% of your context. By then, Claude is already forgetting earlier parts of your conversation. At 60%, type /compact. Claude squeezes everything into a summary and starts fresh. You can even add a compact instructions section inside your Claude.md. You will basically tell Claude what you always want to keep, like current task, paths, test results. It uses every time it compacts. Set it once and it works forever. Number 13. Don't edit your Claude.md while you are working. Claude caches that file at the start of your session. Cached reads cost 90% less. The moment you edit it, the cache breaks. And next message, full price. Number 14. Vague prompts. If you say something like improve my code base, Claude reads 11 files. But if you use specific prompt, fix line 42 in this specific file, Claude only reads that file and definitely your token consumption goes down. Change the model. For example, you have Haiku, Sonnet, Opus. Make sure you pick the right model for the right task. The cache expires after 5 minutes. Come back from a coffee break and the first message costs full price again. This is why your costs spike after a break. Now you know. When Claude needs to search the whole code base, tell it to use a sub-agent. The sub-agent opens its own context, reads 20 files, and brings back one answer. Those 20 files never enter your main session. RTK stands for Rust Token Killer. It filters terminal output before Claude even reads it. You run npm install 200 lines of noise, you just drop them. With RTK, Claude sees only 5. Install it once and add it as a hook and it's always there. And the last one, install context mode MCP. It indexes your code and only pulls what Claude actually needs. You install it once and saves you tokens every single session. I created a cheat sheet and I attached it in the first link in the description.